This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 1992. So let's see what the question states. Which of the following are a tautology? A or B implies B and C. A and B implies B or C. A or B implies B implies C. A implies B implies B implies C. So how can we expand A implies B? A implies B is equivalent to negation of A or B. So let us try to expand each one of them. What is the meaning of tautology? Tautology means it is true for all values of A, B and C. So A will expand like A or B implies B and C. So applying this formula we will get A implies B equals to, or let us take it like X implies Y so that it does not create any confusion. So if we have X implies Y, then it's equivalent to negation of X or Y. So this is X, this is Y. So we will have negation of X or Y. Y is B and C. Okay. So what is this? Expanding this, we will get negation of A, or will become and negation of B, and or B and C. So we will have something like this. Now what we can do? Now let us try to see whether it's true for all the values of A, B and C or not. So let us try to make this as false. So if we take C as false, this becomes false. Okay. And if we take A as true, A as false, B as true, and C as false, then let's see what happens. Negation of false is true, true and negation of B. Negation of B is false, true and false is false, false or B is true, true and false is false. So false or false is false. So it comes out to be false only. Okay. As here A or B, it will come out to be a true. True implies B and C will comes out to be false. So yeah, this will come out to be false. So this is not a tautology. And let us see option B. So option B states A and B implies B or C. Let us apply this formula. This comes out to be X and this is Y. So we have negation of A and B or B or C. So we have negation of A or negation of B or B or C. So negation of B or B is always true. So we have negation of A or true or C. True or anything is always true. So it comes out to be true. So this is a tautology. Let us see option C. So option C states A or B implies B implies C. Okay. So if we expand the second implication, we will get negation of B or C. Now if we expand this, we will get negation of A or B or negation of B or C. So we will get negation of A and negation of B or negation of B or C. Okay. Or let us take it like this only and try to make it false. So if we need to make it false, we need to make any of the side as false. Okay. Okay, we want to make this side as false. So if this side should be false, both sides should be false if you want to make this as false. If this side should be false, then A should be true. Okay, B should be true. So that true or true comes out to be true and negation of true is false. Okay, we will get false. But here, what is B? B is true. Negation of true is false. Okay, C should be false. Okay, so we will get false, or if we take B as true. Okay, so these are the values. A should be true, B should be true, and C should be false. The negation of true will comes out to be false. False or false is false, so false or false is false. So this is not a tautology. Let us see option D. Option D states, okay, so we have A implies B implies B implies C. Let us expand the last implication. So we get negation of B or C. Let us expand this implication now. We have A implies negation of B or C. Okay. Now let us expand this implication. We get negation of A or negation of B or negation of B or C. So if we want to make this complete as false, then A should be true, so that negation of true comes out to be false. B should be true, so that negation of true comes out to be false. If B is true, negation of true is false, and C should be false. So that we get false and false is false, false and false is false. So this is also not a tautology. So answer is option B.